Question 26a. Rationalise the denominator of 5 over root 2. Now this is what what you do when you're studying surds, and when you have a fraction, for some reason they don't want the surd part, the square root, on the bottom. So to rationalise the denominator basically means get rid of the square root on the bottom. So what you need to do is you multiply the top and the bottom by whatever the square root is that's on the bottom. Because remember, if you take a fraction and multiply the top and the bottom by the same thing, it will not change the value of the fraction. So you're going to take 5 over root 2, and you're going to times the top by root 2, and you can times the bottom by root 2, and that gives you 5 times root 2. You just write as 5 root 2, and root 2 times root 2 is just 2. So that's that one. B, expand and simplify that. Now you've got 2 plus root 3 squared, take away 2 minus root 3 squared. So what I'm going to do each part separate. I'm going to do the first part first, which is 2 plus root 3 squared, which means you're going to times it by itself. So there they are. And I'm going to use claw method to expand it. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times root 3 is 2 root 3. Root 3 times 2 is also plus 2 root 3. And then root 3 times root 3 is just 3. Which gives 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 4 root 3's. Now the next part is over here. So 2 minus, it's the same but with a minus. So 2 minus root 3 multiplied by 2 minus root 3 equals 2 times 2, 4. 2 times minus root 3 is minus 2 root 3. Minus root 3 times 2 is minus another 2 root 3. And then minus root 3 times minus root 3, minus times minus is a positive 3. Which comes to 4 plus 3 is 7. And then minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is minus 4 root 3. So, because the original expression was this part, take away this part, so that bit, take away all of that, I'll write down the first part, which was 7 plus 4 root 3, and that is take away all of that, so I'm going to put it in brackets, 7 minus 4 root 3. So what's that going to give? It's going to be 7 take away positive 7 is nothing, and then 4 root 3 take away a negative 4 root 3. Well, that's the same as 4 root 3 add 4 root 3, which gives us 8 root 3.